Hi everyone, and welcome to my Microsoft Dreamspark YouTube video. Um, Basically, Dreamspark is currently for university or high school students that basically provides a way to download professional developer, designer, and gaming software through Dreamspark at no charge. Yes, students get to download software at no charge. Dreamspark enables students like you to download and use Microsoft tools to unlock your creative potential. You can set your path to academic and career success by advancing your learning in the areas of technical design, technology, math, science, and engineering. It doesn't matter what classes you're taking right now, just as long as you're a current student in a verified, accredited school and use the tools in pursuit of advancing your education in one of these areas. What Microsoft software does this site offer. You can check out a list of available products on the Dreamspark homepage. Um, where is Dreamspark available? Basically, you can go to www.dreamspark.com. What do you need in order to access, download, and use the Microsoft software that you get on Dreamspark? A PC, an internet connection, an internet browser, a Windows Live ID account, and that's basically it. You can view your download history from Dreamspark by basically viewing the Dreamspark My Download History page. All you got to do is just click the My Download History link located in the top navigation panel. Um, Dreamspark can can send updates, or will Microsoft tell you whether your software becomes available to download? At this point, they do not currently provide updates to individual users, but we encourage you to bookmark or add Dreamspark to your favorites, so you'll remember to stop back and see what's new. What's the difference between the Microsoft software on Dreamspark and the Microsoft products that you get in the store? Dreamspark has the same completely loaded Microsoft software that professional developers pony up good cash to buy. However, through Dreamspark, we're providing this software directly to students like you at no charge. To advance your learning and skills through technical design, technology, math, science, and engineering activities, we want to give you the chance to explore the software tools used in businesses today to help prepare you to be a member of the next generation of developers and designers. How do I get technical information on using the Microsoft software? You can get technical information by just visiting the Microsoft product site instead of Dreamspark. Are the beta or full-featured versions of the Microsoft software available on Dreamspark site? Better smeta, nothing but full-featured, professional Microsoft software for you. But sometimes we might add in a better product if we think it's something you'll think is cool. Also, the Microsoft Developer Designer and gaming tools available on Dreamspark are not 30-day trial versions. Um, Software is available in a set of languages determined by each product. You can view each product page to learn what languages are available. This software is complete and professional grade versions of the tools, but you must use them in a pursuit of increasing your education skills and knowledge in either science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or even design. Um, are Microsoft products available in non-English languages? Software is available in a set of languages determined by each product. You can view each product page to learn what languages are available. How can I provide feedback or request technical support? We'd love to hear from you, even if it's a complaint. You can also request technical support for using the Dreamspark site by completing and submitting the inquiry form available on the top Contact Us page, located in the navigation panel. Common verification requests or questions. How will you know if you're signed in into Dreamspark site with your My Windows Live ID account? Basically, that's easy. In the top right-hand corner of the Dreamspark site, the Windows Live ID button and the site greeting indicates if you're signed in. If you're not signed in, the greeting is Hello Guest, and the Windows Live ID button above displays as Sign In. Once signed in into Windows Live ID, the Hello greeting includes your name, and the Windows Live ID button says Sign Out. Also, if you're signed into your Windows Live ID account through, say, hotmail.com, prior to visiting Dreamspark, the sign-in transfers automatically. So basically, as soon as you go to Dreamspark, you're already signed in. Basically, that's about it. What does verified student mean on this site? We know weird term, huh? But it's simpler than saying a user whose student status has been confirmed by the verification source. Usually a school organization or commercial student provider, identity provider, sorry. Selected by the user on the Dreamspark student status verification page. Each user has to be verified as a student before he or she can begin downloading the software tools available on the site. Um, we verify student status the first time you visit Dreamspark and then once a year thereafter. How often does student status need to be verified with the Dreamspark site? Again, just once a year. Or we should say once every 12 months from your last verification date if you want to get all technical about it. Are only students from major school or cities able to access Microsoft software available on the Dreamspark site? No. The whole point of the internet is to bring everyone together. Um, so it doesn't matter what size your school is or where it is. We only ask that it's an accredited school and that your student status be verified. Dreamspark is available to all accredited schools across the globe, downloading and using products. How do you download and install the Microsoft software available on Dreamspark? It should be quick and easy. The software download link on each Dreamspark software page allows you to download either an executable file or an ISO image file. Some software on Dreamspark requires a license key, which is an activation key, to activate the software. If a license key is required, you'll see a link for the license key download right next to the download link for the software bits on the software page. If you don't see a license key download link, that means the license key is already embedded in the software and does not need to be downloaded separately. The download process for ISO images allows you to create bootable disks that you can then install onto your computer in case the machine you downloaded with was not yours. Unlike an executable file, the downloadable ISO image must be placed onto a disk or virtual drive before installation can occur. In order to properly download software, you must choose one of the following two options: burn the ISO image to a CD DVD disk or mount the ISO image. Will you be able to download all the software available on Dreamspark site? Of course you will. As long as you are a valid and verified student, you can download and use whatever you want from Dreamspark site. Ha! This is where it gets a little more. This is where a lot of people get it confused. How many copies of a particular Microsoft product can you download? You can only install and use one copy. Certain Microsoft software in Dreamspark must be activated with the associated single-use license keys to use the software. These license keys are single-use only. Once a single-use license key has been used to activate the downloaded software, the same key cannot be used again. That's how it works. Um, that's basically it for Dreamspark. Again, Dreamspark is the best way to get free full version software from Microsoft. I want to encourage you to visit it. Again, it's www.dreamspark.com. Please check it out. It's a great way to get great software from Microsoft at no cost if you're a student. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to posting another good resource for students. Again, have a great